Ready to streamline your approval process and get documents signed by multiple people with ease. First, log into your Docusign account and upload the document you need signed. Once uploaded, you'll see the Add Recipient field. This is where you enter the email addresses of everyone who needs to sign the document. For each recipient, select their signing action from the drop-down menu. Options include needs to sign, receives a copy, or other roles depending on your workflow. Ensure each signer is designated as needs to sign if you require their signature. Now, drag and drop the signature fields onto the document for each signer. Docusign automatically recognizes each recipient, so just place the appropriate fields in the designated areas for each person. You can also add other fields like initials, dates, and text boxes. Once you've placed all the necessary fields and are happy with the document's layout, click the Send button. Docusign will then email each signer with a link to securely access and sign the document. Each signer will be guided through the signing process. Once everyone has signed, you'll receive a notification and a fully executed document. Docusign keeps track of the signing order and sends reminders automatically, making multi-signer workflows a breeze.